Morning came slowly, as if the sun itself was tired of rising. A pale light touched the broken walls of the small house. The child opened his eyes, still lying on the cold floor. His body ached. His heart felt heavier than the night before. In the corner of the room sat his mother. She had been awake all night. Her eyes were red from crying, but her face was calm, too calm. She did not want her child to see her pain. She watched him sleep and whispered in her heart, Lord Jesus, I don't ask for riches. I only ask for my child's life. The child slowly sat up and looked at her. He tried to smile, but hunger stole the strength from his face. Amma, are you okay? He asked. She nodded quickly and wiped her tears before they could fall. I am fine, my child. Jesus is with us. But inside, her heart was breaking. There was no food in the house, no money, no help from anyone. She remembered the days when her husband was alive, when laughter filled the room, when prayers were full of thanks instead of tears. Now, every prayer felt heavy. She stepped outside the house and folded her hands. The neighbors passed by, busy with their own lives. No one noticed her silent prayer. She whispered, Jesus, you fed the hungry. You healed the broken. Please don't turn your face from us. Her tears fell on the dry ground. At that very moment, Jesus stood near her, unseen, unheard. He felt every tear like a wound in his own heart. Jesus said softly, Daughter, your tears are not wasted. But she could not hear him yet. She returned inside and sat beside her child. She held him close and hummed a soft song, the one she used to sing when life was better. The child rested his head on her shoulder. Amma, Jesus will help us, right? She closed her eyes and nodded, though fear lived in her heart. Yes, my child, Jesus always helps. Outside, the wind slowed. The sky grew a little brighter. No miracle happened that morning. No door suddenly opened. But something unseen had already begun. Faith was growing in pain, and Jesus was walking with them.